Hi, boys and girls. Today we will learn how to say good morning, good afternoon, good